Daddy's here. He's waiting for the grain cart.
That wheat stretch.
Yeah.
Wait, is the wheat still going?
Well, it's been 2 hours since we've checked on Daddy, and he's done a few rounds. And it looks like he's visiting.
Wait.
Y'all kiddos doing okay?
Yeah. We're doing okay. Okay, Mom. What are you doing?
Oh, Daddy's sitting in the truck visiting. Go see what they're doing. Day 2, and he's gone a couple rounds already.
This one specifically for the dads that are listening to Alt Nation, because
Bringing
it's,
him
you know, Father's Day
lunch,
and all. It's gonna be wrong.
and today we are having
So, you know, there's like
Chicken Express.
time.
But he's got quite a bit done.
cuts this good, it's all this clean.
He always has nice wheat.
Yeah, that's always a big deal. He's always raised good wheat. Been a few places where it was lodged and laying down, and then I was able to pick up most of it, but some of it I couldn't get, you know. And we had so much rain. There's some green down low, and I'm trying to stay just above the green. These old Blander rotaries do not like green. At least in my experience, they don't like green. It's pretty once you cut it off. It's pretty standing here, but
Yeah.
yeah,
Makes it look nice and clean.
it does. Trying to stay going east and west. That way the wind is strong out of the south. That way it doesn't blow the trash back into the tank. We were having that problem earlier. We've got it dialed in pretty well. It's cleaning pretty good. And keeping the trash out. So we've kind of found a setting we can live with. Just gotta wait on our grain cart to get back now. Once we get to the end of this road, we're full.
It's full.
They're full. See, it's a pretty clean sample. We got it
Yeah.
dialed in where it's like a good seed. You can run that right through a drill.
Yep. Nice.
Yeah. What?
What is this, day 3? I think this is day 3, yeah. We're bringing Daddy some lunch. He's got a hawk hanging around.
What?
There's got a hawk hanging around the combine.
Look.
See it?
Scared.
I don't know what he's doing. Alright, let's go bring Daddy some pizza.
Who's this? We're in the well.
We've got a second.
We're in the well.
You're in the whale.
Yeah.
Remember the whale last year, the filter feeding
Oh
whale?
yeah, the filter feeding whale.